In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color scheme on Shopify. 2025 updated tutorial. We'll walk through the exact places to click in the theme editor so you can confidently update backgrounds, text, links, borders, and hover states, then save everything the right way. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin and opening your store's theme. From Online Store, go to Themes and click Edit Theme to launch the visual editor. In the editor, look to the left panel and open Theme Settings, then choose Colors. This is where your color schemes live. Click the scheme tile you want to work on to highlight and open it. Begin with the basics. Set the background color first. This affects large surfaces across your store, so choose something that gives you strong contrast. Next, adjust headings. These should stand out from body text, often using your brand's primary or a darker neutral. Set text for paragraphs and smaller labels, keeping readability in mind. Update links and then hover links, picking a clear, accessible color pair so visitors always know when something is interactive. Tweak borders to define cards, inputs, and dividers, and adjust shadow to add subtle depth without overpowering your design. Continue refining interactive elements. Set the background, text, and borders for buttons and inputs. Then set hover background, hover text, and hover borders to ensure focus and hover states are easy to see. Keep your hover colors related to the default state, slightly darker or lighter, so the UI feels consistent. Move on to any secondary surfaces and cards by setting their background, text, and borders. After that, review additional backgrounds used by sections like headers, footers, or overlays, making sure each one complements the main background and maintains legibility. Use the Scheme Picker to navigate between your other schemes. Click to highlight another scheme tile, open it, and review. Do the same for additional schemes, whether they're labeled with numbers or custom names, so your brand remains consistent across all style variants. This lets you compare options like a light scheme, a dark scheme, or a seasonal palette without committing changes to just one area. When everything looks right, click Save in the top right corner. A few quick tips before you wrap. Aim for strong contrast between text and background for accessibility. Keep link and hover colors consistent throughout your store, and preview several pages to verify that headings, buttons, and borders feel cohesive on desktop and mobile. That's it. You've updated your Shopify color scheme and locked in a polished, on-brand look.